So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? Show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty. Pagdating sa trial dyan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know.